Hello, guys. Good morning. So, this is Walgreens again, bringing you more awesome deals to grab. And most of this deal, yes, you can use Walgreens Cash to pay. I'm also giving you another idea how to use the PNG Register Reward. Easy deal to use the PNG Register Reward if you have a lot. And it's not included on PNG promotion. So, the first deal I'm going to do is the detergent deal. These are included online promotion, but I didn't try it in store, so I decided to try it. So I grabbed one of the Tide Pods for 12.99. We have $3 digital coupon. Also one of the Tide Liquid 12.99, and we have the $3 digital coupon. And I grab one Venus for 10.99. We have $3 digital coupon and one Gillette for 4.39, and we have $3 digital coupon. Also, if you spend 15, you will receive $5 registered reward. Total for this transaction is $41.36. So yes, you will receive the $10 PNG register reward because all of these are part of PNG promotion. And we also have $12 digital coupon. So after all the coupons, you'll pay $29.36. If you're not using any spend booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay. Or if you want to add it on your spend deal, spend 40, get 10, it's even better. Also, if you have a loss of $5 register reward from Oral-B or Crest, or the $5 register reward for the Olay, you can use it in this transaction to lower your out-of-pocket. So here's my receipt for that transaction, guys. All my digital coupon came off. I also use a spend 25 get $7 paper booster in this transaction because I already used my digital booster and I rolled some registered reward to lower my out of pocket and pay $5.36. Then I received $7.41 Walgreens cash for my paper booster, and I also received the $10 PNG register reward for spending 30 and the $5 register reward for spending 15 on the razor. So making all of this for me for just $6.95 or $7 for all of this. Without any paper booster, you will pay $14 for all of this. And yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay. But if you have the spend 40 get 10 digital booster, you'll pay around $5 for all of this, guys. And for my next transaction is another PNG promotion. So I grab the other one buy four get $4 register reward and pair it with Oral-B. So Gillette and the Old Spice are $8.99. Buy one get one 50%. And we have $5 on two for the Old Spice and $4 on two for the Gillette. And for the Oral-B, it's $3.50. So buy three, get $5 register reward. If you already use the $3 or $5 on three digital coupon, we also have $3 on two digital and $1 on one digital. So total for this transaction is $37.46, and we have a total of $13 digital coupon, $4 Gillette, $4 Oral-B, and $5 for the Old Spice. We also have $2 back on Ibotta for the Old Spice. So after all the coupons, you'll pay $24.46. Yes, you can use $20 Walgreens cash, but then you will receive $19 register reward and $4 on Ibotta, making all of this for just $1.46 for all. So here's my receipt for that transaction, guys. And as you can see, all my digital coupon. I also rolled $4 register reward. My total is 2046. I redeemed $20 Walgreens cash and paid just 46 cents plus the tax. Then I received the $19 register reward. So I received $10 PNG register reward for spending 35, $5 for Oral-B, and $4 for the deodorant. And I submit my receipt on Ibotta. I received $4 back, so making that transaction for just $1.46 for all. So for my last transaction, it's an easy deal to use the PNG register reward. So I grabbed the Dixie plate, 6.99, and we have 50 cents digital coupon. Also, if you buy two, you will receive $3 register reward. And of course, I pair it with the Gain and Downy deal. Buy two, get $5 register reward, and we have $2 digital coupon each. I also grabbed three of the freezer bag for 88 cents because I want to build my transaction to $35 because I'm using $10 store register reward from last week, and also I'm using paper booster of spend 25 get 7. So if I build my transaction to 35 and I use $10 store register reward, my total still $25, so I can still use the spend booster. So here's my receipt for that transaction, guys. I use a points booster of spend 25 get 7 and the $10 store register reward. I also rolled two $10 PNG register reward and all my digital coupon came off and paid $2.10 out of pocket. So that's an easy way to use the PNG register reward, and if you add it on your spend deal and you will pay low out of pocket. Then I received the $5 register reward for the detergent and $3 for the Dixie plate. So for this transaction, I paid $32, but then I received a total of $15 back, so making the transaction for $17. So I think it's still a good deal for me, especially I'm using those PNG register reward and the store register reward that's expiring. So yes, guys, that's all the stuff I grab at Walgreens today. So yes, guys, there's a lot of awesome deals to grab at Walgreens. And remember, we have beauty event for L'Oreal. You can get the face products for as low as $1. So I need to check first. I didn't go to store yesterday because I went to Target to grab the Persil. But yes, we have the beauty event promotion for L'Oreal. Thank you all for watching. Have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.